Unraveling, circle back, a journey through a popular phrase. Hello, everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might have heard in meetings or casual conversations: circle back. This video will help you understand what it means, how to use it, and in what contexts. So, let's unravel the mystery of circle back together. Circling back is an idiomatic expression in English. It's primarily used in business and professional settings. When someone says they will circle back to a topic or a task, it means they will return to it at a later time. It implies that the topic isn't forgotten, but rather set aside temporarily. This phrase is often used when more information or thought is needed before continuing the discussion or making a decision. Understanding the origins of phrases can make them easier to remember. Circle back likely comes from the literal action of circling around to return to a starting point. It's akin to taking a detour and then coming back to your original path. Over time, this literal action turned into a metaphorical one in language. You can use circle back in various scenarios. It's common in workplace meetings or emails when discussing projects or tasks. For example, if a decision can't be made immediately, a manager might say, "Let's circle back to this topic after we've all had time to think about it." It's less common but still acceptable in informal settings, like when planning events with friends. Let's look at some examples to see how circle back is used in sentences. 1. In a meeting, we don't have all the information we need now. Let's circle back to this agenda point in our next meeting. 2. In emails, I'm currently waiting for more input from our team. I'll circle back with you next week. 3. In casual conversation, I'm not sure which movie to watch tonight. Let's circle back to this after lunch. And that's a wrap on circle back. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of this phrase and how you can use it in different contexts. Remember, English is full of such idiomatic expressions, and mastering them can really enhance your fluency. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. See you in our next linguistic adventure.